How to add a payment method on your H&M account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to insert the payment method and the different details of your payment on H&M, the steps are quite simple. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser to go to the H&M's official website. Once you tap on its website, first thing first, you need to log in using the profile icon. Tapping on it should give you option to give in your credentials, and once logged in, we need to now move on with shopping. You can select different items and add it to your shopping bag. Then after tap on the shopping bag tab, and here you will see continue to checkout option. Tap on it. Next thing, you have to give in all of your details such as billing address, your shipping address and much more. Once all of this is done, you will see the option of payment. In the payment section, you can choose from the different types of payment methods available. Choose any of them or you can add the payment method as well. This will now require you to give additional details which includes the payment details of credit card number, the social security number and others. Once all of this is done and if it is validated, after verification, you should be good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.